All right, so I'm going to be going over how to use split screen on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Now, split screen is just a cool feature to use on any phone. Samsung makes it really easy. There's really nothing you have to do in your settings to get this going, which is very nice, right? All you have to do is have some open tabs. Now, I will let you know it does not work with everything, but if you want to use split screen, you just have to click on the tab icons and they'll have a split screen view option. And then you'll have some other options right under that where you can just kind of add something to go into split screen. Now, this works in both portrait and landscape, which is really nice. And yeah, I mean, you can adjust the screen if you want to make it bigger or smaller on one end. And it's pretty cool. You know, this is a feature I use on, you know, any phone I'm using. But, you know, Samsung phones, like I said, they just make it easy. And yeah, we're going to check it in landscape here. And then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger here on the left. And like I said, you can adjust this. Now, when you want to make it full screen, again, you just slide it all the way and then it'll go full screen. Now, the cool thing here is you can actually play games in split screen, right? I didn't even know you could do this till the other day, but we're going to check this example out right here. So I'm just going to load something up in split screen view. Okay, and then I'm going to select a game. We're going to go with Alto's Odyssey. Now, check this out. You can literally play a game in split screen view. It's so cool. And this works in both portrait and landscape for playing games in split screen. So I'll show you that in a second here. I just thought it was kind of wild that you can do this. All right, let's flip it. All right, and boom, man. So like we're browsing the internet, maybe watching a video, and then we're playing a game on our right. I mean, how cool is that? That is just so cool. And even though the screen's a little bit smaller, like I said, you can adjust it if you want to make it a little bit bigger. But, I mean, when it's at 50%, it actually plays pretty decent, as you can see. All right, and then I'm actually going to slide it all the way to make the game just, you know, appear as full screen. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this tip. Like I said, really nothing to it. Just have some open tabs, have some fun with it. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.